So Kimi can help generate prompts for other tools as well. Let's say, for example, you want to say, how do I make a Google Doc font larger, right here, just like this. So if you were to go ahead and do that, then for the other tools right here, it'll go ahead and give the details on how to do it. So it says to make the font larger in Google Doc, it says follow these steps right here. Like open up Google Doc, then select the text, change the font size, and the shortcut right here as well. Let me just go around over here onto new chat, and let's say, for example, I can also go around and say, now in PowerPoint, I need to add a transition. What are my options? So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, for the other tools right here, it simply goes ahead and then generates out the steps that you can carry forward. So no matter which tool you're using, you can generate prompts for other tools as you like inside of Kimi right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and do that. So now this is what you have, and let's say I want let's say, for example, a similar prompt, then you can even go ahead and let's say, for example, say for this result, give me the prompt right here, just like this. Then what happens is that for getting this result in other tools or other generative AIs that you may have, then this is what you have. It says, I want to add a transition in PowerPoint. What are my options? So you can simply give this prompt and you'll get a similar option again as well. And that is how you can generate prompts for other tools inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.